Sa video natin ngayon mga kamaestro, good news kasi aprobado na po ng DBM ito pong 2,000 increase sa election allowance po ng mga teachers and other poll workers. Yan nga po yung naipost na po mga kamaestro sa isa sa mga official Facebook page ng Department of Budget Management na kung saan ay official na nga po mga kamaestro na magkakaroon po ng across the board na 2,000 increase para po sa election allowance ngayon pong darating na May 12 midterm election. Yan po ay mismo ang nakapost sa official Facebook page ng DBM ang usapang budget natin. Ayan. So ito nga po Ito nga po yung na-post sa official Facebook page po ng DBM yung usapang budget natin. Ayan. So credits po sa usapang budget natin Facebook page. Sa kanila po natin kinuha ang information po na ipinamamahagi po natin ngayong araw sa video natin. Okay. So nakalagay po dyan, DBM Secretary Mina, upon directive of PBBM, teachers and other poll workers get 2,000 increase in election allowance. So malinaw po mga kamaestro na hindi lamang po mga teachers kundi lahat po ng mga poll workers na siserbisyo ngayong darating na May 12 midterm election ay magkakaroon po ng 2,000 across the board increase. Alright? So ito po yung buong detalye niyan. Alamin po natin, basahin po natin yung buong detalye po ng balitang yan mga kamaestro. Ayan, so nakalagay po dyan. Actually, kakapost lang po nito ngayong araw. Mga kamaestro? Ayan, nakita nyo naman po dyan ay 23 minutes ago. Na-post po yan sa usapang budget natin Facebook page. Ngayon pong araw, May 9, 2025. Ayan, so nakalagay po dyan, DBM Secretary Mina upon directive of PBBM, teachers, other poll workers get 2,000 increase in election allowance. Department of Budget and Management, DBM Secretary Amena F. Pangandaman reiterated that is directed by President Bongbong Marcos at the DBM has approved a 2,000 across the board increase on the compensation of teachers and other poll workers serving in the upcoming May 12, 2025 national and local election. As directed by our beloved President Bongbong Marcos, finally our teachers and poll workers will receive a 2,000 across the board increase on their compensation for the 2025 midterm elections, Secretary Mina said. Alam po natin na sa pagbantay ng ating mga boto, haharap sa pagod, puyat at sakripisyo ang ating mga guro at poll workers. Kaya noon pong inutusan tayo ng Pangulo na itaas ang kanilang benepisyo, hindi po tayo nagdalawang isip, Secretary Mina added. This is a realization of the directive of President BBM who is truly committed to ensuring we provide needed support for the welfare of our teachers, she continued. With this, the new honoraria rates for those in the electoral board are 12,000 from the previous 10,000 for the chairperson, 11,000 from the previous 9,000 for the poll clerk, 11,000 from the previous 9,000 for the third member, and 8,000 from the previous 6,000 for the support staff. The Budget Secretary likewise appealed to concerned agencies to ensure the timely release of higher compensation for teachers and poll workers this coming NLE. I urge COMELEC to ensure that our teachers and poll workers will get their compensation as quickly as possible. Dapat timely ang release ng kanilang benepisyo. They deserve nothing less, Secretary Mina stated. The budgetary requirement for the poll workers' compensation and as authorized under the fiscal year 2025 General Appropriations Act is 70 billion pesos. The COMELEC has estimated the total number of poll workers for the national and local elections at 758,549. Based on the Election Service Reform Act and COMELEC Resolution number 10194, persons rendering election service shall be entitled to honoraria, travel allowance, communication allowance, meal allowance, and service credit. Ayan, so yun po yung good news dyan mga kamestro kasi officially ay talagang aprobado na po ang ating 2,000 across the board increase para po yan sa ating election allowance ngayon pong paparating na May 12 national and local election or midterm election. Alright, so dito ko natatapos itong ating video ngayon mga kamestro. Kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click mo na ang subscribe button dyan para ikaw yung unang nakapanood ng mga videos na in-upload natin. Katulad nito, yung mga updates pa rin patungkol sa ating national elections, and syempre sa mga benefits ng mga teachers and government employees. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para ma-notify ka, always updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos. So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig.
Once again, El Maestro. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!